Hey everyone, I want to show all of you how to easily find broken links and how to fix them really fast as well. I'll look at three easy ways to do it. One using Google Analytics, one using Google Search Console, and one using an app like ours. I'll start with the pros and cons of each. Even the analytics data is a little late, but it covers all type of 404 errors, right? It doesn't matter whether it came from a crawler or from a real user. Google Analytics data will actually show it. Console, on the other hand, only worries about URLs that Google bot crawled. It ignores everything else. And an app like ours, we focus on all type of 404 errors. You can find all of those errors here. If a customer has seen a 404 error, we will kind of show the errors here. So without further ado, let's start with Google Analytics. To find the 404 pages, click on Reports, click on Engagement, Pages and Screens. Now I'm showing a different website here. This is our blog. So I will hide some of these real data. But the most important thing is that you have to select the page title and screen class. And remember what is the page title when you see a 404 page. Typically, it will be 404 not found. In our blog, it is page not found. So I'll just search for page not found. Okay, I got the page not found URLs, how many number of times it is there. Now I'll click on the plus sign and again search for page. So I have a landing page plus query string. So this tells me all the URLs that actually resulted in a 404 page sorted by number of views. This is how you find 404 pages from Google Analytics. Let's move on now to Google Search Console. The data is somewhat more easy to get to. What you need to do is click on Pages, click on Not Found 404, and you will get a list of examples. Please understand that Google Search Console does not give you the exhaustive list. It only gives you a list of URLs that it feels are important. Okay, now let's move on to the final. Let's move on to the final part of the demo. This is using an app like ours. The good thing about our app is that it is real time, right? Every time you see every time a customer faces a 404 page, we will record it and show that here. So just to show an example, I'm going to go to a new 404 page, right? Now this is a collection that does not exist. So I just have entered a URL /collections/sports. Now let's go back to our app, just refresh. And very quickly, you will see that you have a new a 404 page here, and you can just quickly create a new target link. Now this only works after our app is installed. It does not work before, obviously. We cannot start recording data before you install our app. So install our app, ensure that you check in once in a while, and then you can very quickly redirect these broken links to the pages that you want them to go to. That's it. Thank you.